Good day everyone. So in this video, I will demonstrate on how to plot the different methods of position fixing in nautical chart by the use of different kinds of landmarks. Okay, for example, first method will be position by two ranges or by means of circles of position. The scenario is after leaving the port of Bunbury, the pilot disembarked in position 0.8 nautical miles of McKenna Point Light by 1.5 nautical miles of estuary entrance. So McKenna Point Light is here and the estuary entrance is here. So this ranges is obtained from the radar. So the image of this and the image of this can be easily seen in our radar. So this will be the basis of measurement. Okay, so how to plot the position? So let's start first with the 0.8 nautical miles of McKenna Point Light. So 0.8 nautical miles or 0.8 minutes of latitude can be obtained here in the latitude scale of the chart. So this is the 0.8 nautical miles or 0.8 minute, and we will bring this to McKenna Point Light and we will create a circle. So this circle is called a circle of position. So anywhere in this circle or line of circle is maybe the vessel is located. So we need to combine another circle of position so we can obtain a fixed position. So the combination is the 1.5 nautical miles of estuary entrance. So we need to take 1.5 nautical miles. So this is 19 and 18, 1.5. So for example, in the radar, you measure this. So now you have a two circle of position. So the intersection of these two circle of position will be your fixed position. For example, that time it was 2000 R. So this is the method of positioning by two ranges. Then after that, the navigation is continuous. After 10 minutes, the officer of the watch take the range and bearing of McKenna Point in radar and obtain 2.2 nautical mile range and bearing of 163. So still, the officer observed this McKenna Point so that time it has a range of 2.2 nautical mile. So we will measure again 2.2 or 2.2 minutes. So I have now again a circle of position. So anywhere the vessel is there, anywhere on that line. So I need another method of positioning. So it will be by means of bearing. So the bearing is 163 degree true that time. So means the vessel seen this McKenna point light somewhere in his or in her south. So first we will use this compass rose. So we need to locate first the 163 degree true. So 163 is here. So by the use of triangle, so I use this boundary line in the triangle. So as you can see, so this is the 163. So you can use also this edge, but for me it's better to use this center part of the triangle with a line, so you can easily see in these markings of 163. Then we need to bring this 163 in the McKenna point. So we need a supporting ruler so that we can transfer this 163 parallel to the McKenna point. Okay. And now the intersection line of circle of position and this line of position, this is called again a fixed position. So 20 10 R. So this method is combination of range and bearing. So combination of circle of position and line of position. So don't be confused. The 163 visibility is from ship to the object. So this is the line of position and this is the circle of position. So the first method is the combination of two circle of position. Okay. So the next method will be position by cross bearing or line of position. So the time is at 20:20 R. So the front leading light sighted on 130 degree true. So this is the front leading light, and another light, the Waterloo light, is sighted on 088 degree true. So in this method we will use a combination of two line of position or two bearing, cross bearing. So we can start first at 130 degree true of this front leading light. So we can first find the 130 degree. In the nautical chart or in the compass rose. Then after my triangle is positioned in the compass rose, so I will parallelly bring this edge of the ruler to the landmark. So I will use another triangle to support this triangle. So drag this triangle to the light, and as you can see, this is 130. So I will use again this triangle because my triangle is very short. So this is 130. So this is the line of position. So anywhere in this line, the vessel is located and seeing this leading light. So to obtain the fix, we need at least 2 line of position. And the other observation is the Waterloo light sighted on 088 degree 2. So we can go back to compass rose, locate the 088. So after locating the 088, we will bring this edge of the ruler to the landmark. So we will use another supporting triangle, and we will parallelly move this triangle to Waterloo. And we will create a line of position again. So the intersection of 2 line of position is our fix. So this is the 20/100R. So if you will review, at 20/100R the vessel is here. So this position is obtained from 2 range. Create 2 circle of position. So the second one by range and bearing, and the third one is by combination of 2 cross bearings and obtain a fixed position. So this is the sample of fixing position by the methods of by combination of 2 ranges, by range and bearing, and by cross bearing. For example, you can also use 3 line of position or 3 cross bearing. So I will discuss this in another video.